Okay, lesson 21 is divisibility. So divisibility just means that if a number can evenly divide into another number. Okay, so there are some tricks to figure out if things are divisible. So we know that if you look at the last number of the last digit of any number, and if it's even, we know that it's divisible by 2. So 48 is divisible by 2 because the 8 is an even number. And by even, I mean 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, 92 is divisible by 2 because 2 is an even number. 36 is divisible by 2 because 6 is an even number. And 84 is divisible by 2 because 4 is an even number. Okay, so to find if something is divisible by 5, you look at the last digit and the number again, and if it ends with a 5 or a 0, you know that it is divisible by 5, that you can divide it evenly by 5. Okay, and a number like 37, it ends in 7, it's not a 0 or a 5, we know that is not divisible by 5. Okay, so to find out if a number is divisible by 10, you would look at the last digit in the number, and if it ends with 0, then you know that it is divisible by 10. 40, 50, 60, and even a long number like 1,170, if it ends in a 0, it's divisible by 10. Okay, so to find out if a number is divisible by 3, it's a little bit tricky, but with some practice you can get it. Okay, to find out if a number is divisible by 3, add the digits together. If they are divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Okay, so what do I mean by that? All right, so the number 1,179, to see if that's divisible by 3, we're going to add up all the digits together. So 1 plus 1 plus 7 plus 9, those all add up together to be 18. And we know 18 is divisible by 3 because 3 times 6 is 18. So this number right here is divisible by 3. If you divided this number by 3, you'd come out with an even number. Okay, what about a number like 813? If we add these digits together, 8 plus 1 plus 3 equals 12. And we know that 12 is divisible by 3 because 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, what about 7 and 726? 7 plus 2 plus 6 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3 because we know 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, so the last trick that we're going to do is if digits add up to 9, the number is divisible by 9. So 72 is divisible by 9 because 7 plus 2 equals 9. 36 is divisible by 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 45 is divisible by 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9.